This Amrinder Singh ji, Jhakar ji, Chani ji, Madam MP, officers, everyone in the different districts who are watching this program, students, I'd like to welcome all of you here in this job creation program. As we all know, the central challenge faced not just by Punjab but by the whole country is employment and the creation of jobs for our youngsters. We have the world's most talented youngsters, and we don't just have a few youngsters. We have the most talented youngsters and we have the largest number of youngsters. This is, in a sense, India's biggest asset. This is India's gift. This asset can either be developed and can shape the whole world, or it can be wasted and create massive amount of disruption, pain and disturbance. If you give this asset a vision, if we are able to show the youngsters of this country a future, they will transform the entire world. If we are unable to do that, we will be sitting on top of one of the biggest tragedies that we face in Asia. And so I am very proud and excited that Punjab is taking a lead in job creation. And I know this because I travel around the country and I see the emphasis that different state governments are placing their focus on. There's a lot of talk, a lot of statements, but the central thing that has to be resolved, job creation, there is not much action in many parts of the country. And I'm excited to see that here, these are not just empty words, there is actually action taking place. It's not really my place to give advice to the youngsters and to the people of Punjab. In fact, I come here much more as someone who listens to your wisdom than someone who gives you my opinion of this. But as I have been given the opportunity to speak, I would like to put one or two things for you to consider. I'm happy to see that Microsoft is here. And I'm sure there are many other companies like Microsoft who we are dealing with. And these companies are linked to the world. They are high-tech companies and they inform us about what is going on in the rest of the world and they connect us to the rest of the world. So they have their place. And that's the same with the refinery, that's the same with Microsoft. These are big players and they allow us to get a sense of what is going on. And it's very important, it's critical, and I'm happy that Amrinder Singh ji has supported them fully, and I'm happy to hear that your refinery was set up very quickly, and I'm happy to hear that Microsoft is working well with the Punjab. There is another piece where Punjab used to dominate the competition, and that was the small and medium businesses, which was, if you ask somebody 30-40 years ago, listen, who is the most innovative? Who are the most innovative people? Which are the companies that are the most innovative? They would say, look, if you want to understand the companies that are the most innovative, please look at them. And these were entrepreneurial companies, maybe not as famous, not as big as Microsoft, but having their own place. And I think these companies also have the potential to create large numbers of jobs, and they have the potential to become large companies. So they might be small today, they might be innovating in a small way today, but if the government supports them, they have the potential to become a Microsoft. After all, Microsoft was one day a small company, which was supported and developed. So, one observation I have is that's a huge strength of Punjab, and that's something that I remember when Amrinder Singh ji we were fighting the elections, we had a conversation that the previous government has completely decimated that system. And I think that's somewhere where you have taken steps, but if we could push, that would be an interesting direction, and it would also show the people of India what the innovative capacity of Punjab and the sort of ability of Punjab to solve local problems and move forward. You said there are 3 laws that are aimed at destroying agriculture, and I agree with you. These 3 laws are going to devastate agriculture in Punjab and in the rest of the world. And youngsters, I want to explain to you why. There is a current system that gives India its food and gives support to our farmers. And this system consists of mandis, it consists of the MSP, it consists of the food procurement system, it consists of the food distribution system. This is a system. And you and me understand that this system is not perfect. But this is the system. And what these 3 laws are going to do is they are going to destroy the system. Our advice to the government of India is don't destroy the system. Build and strengthen the system. You don't like something about the system, change that. You feel that some farmers don't have enough options. Instead of 100 mandis, give them 500 mandis. Instead of 500 mandis, give them 1,000 mandis. You feel the farmers cannot store their food, give them silos. You feel the farmers cannot move their food, give them loans. But don't destroy the entire architecture. So that's the difference between Amrinder Singh Ji's opinion and the central government's opinion. And we are going to contest this idea that you should destroy our agricultural system. Now you would be wondering, why am I suddenly talking about the agricultural system? In a meeting where we are talking about job creation, because there is a central link between agriculture and job creation. And Punjab's biggest asset has been its agriculture. Huge amount of jobs can come out of the agricultural system if we view it as an asset. We have to build structures that allow our produce to move. Many people don't know this, but today the Chinese are sitting in our territory. They started not by reforming large companies. They started by reforming agriculture. And their strength was a reformed agricultural system. So, we have to think about everything together. And the agricultural system is the foundation in many ways of this state. And so we cannot allow it to be destroyed. We have to build on it, we have to strengthen it, and where we see problems, we have to fix it. So, what I'm suggesting is a holistic look. Look at our strength in agriculture and develop infrastructure, develop systems that can give many of our rural youths jobs in the agriculture system. Linking the agricultural system to the big companies are a host of small and medium companies. Give those companies support as well. And then the pioneering big companies, where frankly that's where the global battle is. Make sure that our youngsters understand how to work there and are able to have not just a Punjab vision, not just a national vision, but a global vision. So I'm excited with what I see, and I'm very happy that Amrinder Singh Ji and the rest of the team are focusing on the critical idea of job creation. Look, if we are not able to solve this problem, we have a tragedy that is going to happen. And I'm proud of every single youngster of Punjab who is helping build not only this state, but the entire state. I'll end there, and I'll thank everybody who's come to this program. Best wishes. Thank you.